Hello guys, Craven here and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very special episode. This is my 50th upload and today is episode 2 of Girlfriend Gifts Mystery Silver Package. And it is a debut for Miss Stacking with Craven on the YouTube channel. How are we doing today?
Hello.
You want to go with hello?
Hello.
Yeah? You go, hello.
Hello.
I like it.
I have something for you.
Okay. Thank you. So, if you haven't seen already, guys, this is the second package that my lovely girlfriend has purchased for me. The first one, if you haven't seen, was a Little John, which I really struggled to find. So I'm so excited to see what is in here.
Get it open.
Okay, will do. And just before we open this, guys, remember I put a post out on my channel earlier today asking you Anyway, I asked you guys for some questions which I can ask Miss Stacking with Craven. So we'll come back. What is that noise? I'll come back to those questions after.
You might have to keep that in.
No, I will.
That's hilarious.
Stand out.
It's so cool.
Is it? Okay, so let's open this. Where did you buy this from?
This was from the Royal Mint.
Picked up the Little John previously from eBay, didn't you?
I did.
Yeah, I got sniped every time I tried to buy one on there. Okay guys, we are down to this. Just before I put my hand in here, I will say this doesn't feel like a coin. It feels more like a bar. Is it a bar?
Have to open and see.
Okay, that's exactly what we're gonna do. Oh my, can you see that? I've got the camera facing the other way here, so I can't see exactly what you can see. It's definitely a bar, and it's definitely from the Royal Mint. I know instantly what this is. It's a 1 ounce 9999 fine silver bar. And it's not just any bar. You really treated me here, thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's take it out the package and turn it around. This is of course the brand new 4 bar from the Royal Mint. This follows on from the Odin bar, which I've currently got, and it's absolutely stunning. Good catch, by the way. The package just went flying. Good catch. Wow. Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
Okay guys, look at this. I've stood behind the camera now. I wanted to make sure you had a good angle. This is beautiful. I actually didn't think these were still in stock, so you did really well to pick this up, and I'm so happy. Thank you. So, thank you to everyone that put a comment in who wants to ask a question to Miss Stacking with Craven. I hope I don't regret this. I asked you to keep it clean. Would you like to do the honours and pick some of the comments? And just before you do, I did say I'd pick 3. I'm actually going to let Miss Stacking with Craven pick the comments, and we'll probably go through all of them because they're all great.
So, the first question we have here is from Benson's.coins.009.
Just Benson's Coins.
Benson's Coins.
He's a great guy, by the way. No, it's okay.
The first question I've got here is from Benson's Coins.
Okay.
He says, my question to both of you is if you could pick any design on a 50p that is your favourite and add your own unique style to it, what 50p design would it be and how would you change it to be unique to you?
Good question, Benson. By the way, guys, if you haven't already, check out Benson's Coins channel. He has an extremely impressive collection of 50p's, a bucket load of knowledge, and I spoke to him personally. He's a fantastic chap, so check him out. So for me, firstly, I would go for the Battle of Hastings 50p. I think it's a great design. I don't know loads about the 50p's, but I do have one of those in my own collection. And the unique twist that I would add to it is I would change one of the men in the image, or the design, sorry, and replace it with a figure of Little John, because I think he's an absolute trooper. What about you?
I would go for the Offside Explained rule 50p.
Okay.
Because I love football.
Yeah, you do.
And I would add the Everton badge to it, because unfortunately that is who I support.
A bit unlucky, really, isn't it?
Well, you're a United fan, so you can't.
We'll move on to the next question, guys.
The next question is from, oh, this is a cool name.
And that would be Seolforhordian, which actually means, or translates to, and I learnt this thanks to the stat collector, Silver Order. What's his question?
He said, where do you see yourself in 5 years, and where do you fit in with her goals? It's a two-part question, but hopefully a good one.
That's a really good question. Just a quick mention for Seolforhordian. He is a fantastic person. His channel is just flying right now. He's producing a lot of content, very creative, and having spoke to him myself very regularly, he's got some really exciting ideas for the future, and I'm so glad to be following your journey. So if you haven't already, check him out. He's doing bits at the moment, to be fair. But this specific question, I believe the first part is for you. So where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Sat next to you, collecting silver coins.
What an answer. Straight to the point. That is the goal.
Where do you fit in with my goals?
So I'd say I fit in because I'm stacking silver, hopefully gold one day, and I plan to continue doing that for the next 5 years. And if every now and then you get me one of these mystery gifts, we'll have a pretty good stack.
The next question is from Blistering Barnacles Magnets.
BBA.
And the question is, ask her if she's going to get you a Maid Marian and Robin Hood to go with your Little John.
Well, do you know who Maid Marian is?
I don't, but I have seen the coins, and they are on the list of coins to get, but there is also a few others as well, which I will not reveal because it's a surprise.
I love that. Just a little side note here, guys. She has a list of coins that she plans to buy me, and it's top secret and confidential. I can't see it. Maid Marian is also part of the Myths and Legends series by the Royal Mint, and is definitely, along with the Robin Hood, one of the coins that I want to add to my collection. BBA, you're a legend, mate. You're a massive character, and I love your Ride With Me videos every single day. It starts my day on a positive. Everyone says good morning. You always have a pocket piece on you when you go for that nice bike ride. Lucky for you, the weather has been nice recently, and yeah, it's a pleasure to follow your journey as well, mate.
So, the next question is from Silver Punk Force.
Silver Punk.
For the girlfriend, if you could sum up Stacking with Craven by a silver coin or bullion bar, which one would it be and why?
Questions for you. Great question, Silver Punk. And also, guys, Silver Punk deserves a massive shout out. He is one of the most talented individuals I have seen on YouTube for a long time. Not only is he a gentleman, I've spent some time getting to know him myself, but he is a master of his craft, and the artwork that he is creating is really pushing the limits within the stacking industry. So if you haven't already, you need to check out his channel. Everyone that I mentioned in this video, I will leave a link below in the description. Check out Silverpunk, great guy.
The answer to that question would be, is there a Year of the Rat coin?
A Year of the Rat? I'm not sure, there probably is. I mean, the Perth Mint have the rat. Crikey. What would I be? Go on.
You would be the Mexican Libertad.
Ooh.
Because you are good looking, one of a kind, and you stand out from the rest.
Oh.
And I promise you didn't tell me to say that.
Oh, never mind. I didn't tell you to say that.
No.
Next question. Call me a Mexican Libertad if you want. You say I'm good looking, one of a kind.
The final question is from Sandy Millington.
Oh, I know where this is going. Sandy, I will get you back for this. You are a little menace.
So, Sandy has said you're never going to ask her this in a million years, but why only Miss? Well, Sandy, the reason why it's not Mrs. Craven yet is because somebody keeps spending the money on silver coins.
This is true. This is true. But actually, it's a very good question from Sandy Millington. Sandy Millington, who is a very renowned member of the stacking community, huge character within Stackers Social. He is growing his working class stack with 1 ounce of silver every single week. He has a great channel with content that is very creative, specifically a video where bullion that made time stand still. I really enjoyed that. He's a great person. We speak near enough every single day, and I class him as a friend. And I enjoy following his journey because, in all honesty, it's very similar to my own. So we're going, we're in the same lane there, and we have a lot in common. So massive shout out to Sandy, and also let's not forget Danny Millington, who I can't wait to see more on the channel. Check out his channel, and yeah, thanks for the question, mate. I really appreciate you throwing me under the bus like this.
You never know. You might be able to melt down a little John into a silver ring.
I'm not melting. No, I'm not melting a silver John into a ring. No chance. But I would be willing to melt a silver kangaroo. But that might upset Sandy Millington, because if you didn't know, guys, the silver kangaroo is Sandy's favourite coin. That question Sandy asked, and I didn't really plan for this, but when I heard that question, it's a lovely evening. Well, it's gone a bit cold since we started recording, but I'm with my favourite person in the world, and what better time to ask this question with you guys here to see. So, 1 second. Okay. You are the most amazing thing that has ever happened to me. And truthfully, I can't imagine a life without you. And on this beautiful evening, I think it's the perfect time to ask you, what's for tea?
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I thought you were going to...
So that is it, guys. I hope you're happy with our answers to your questions. Thank you for sending those in. It's been a pleasure as always. Give some love in the comments for the appearance of Miss Stacking with Craven. She's done amazing, and I think not only me, but she would really appreciate that as well. And on that note,
Guys, hit the like button, subscribe if you are new, and see you in the next one.
that's my bit. Right then, that's the video out of the way. Come here, you.